The easiest way to fix battery terminals so that you won't damage your car.
Yeah, now follow me. I want to show now something this morning. Something very important. I want to show now very important something this morning. You know, say for long, many of us now you go we don't they look up to we both videos and all. And some of the time we not even the hear what they talk. You they hear something like swing the car. You want to operate the car, the battery, and all those kind of I don't know whether I go send as slangs or what. So normal when they use our pidgin language to they teach us things about car for more understanding so that we understand them more. Based on say most of us we don't get used to pidgin language already. So right now you get one mistake where a lot of young guys, especially young guys, they make and uh, apprentice when you lose start work now terminal head and most that terminal head don't cause a lot of problem, especially for young guys when you new buy car. As they just buy the car, they say make they put battery head, they go put battery head wrongly, and once they put that battery head wrongly, before you know it go blow something for inside the car, which go cause them much to fix. So I want start by teaching. That is the first procedure in the car battery. So I want start by teaching us how to fix battery for car properly. I will fit fix battery for car properly so that cause damage to our car. And also young apprentices when they new start work, many of them as a young new reach workshop, they say may go fix battery for car. Before they know they'll just fix am wrongly, go just blow system for the car worth thousands. So I want teach you now. My name now Joshua the Auto Lord. Joshua the Auto Lord. So time to time I will educate us on things about car, especially common mistake in car, so that we know they make that mistake. So now first how to fix battery head on car. Let me show you the simplest and the easiest way to know which wire to put for the battery head. Battery head get two wires. Battery get two wires. Get the you both they call am negative and positive. So now like some motor this battery head, so the one they go minus or negative, they be black. Most motor they be black. Then the one when they go plus they be red. But if you see this one now, the both now black. The one they go plus and the one they go minus now black. That is negative and positive. They be black. So how you obtain know the right one to put if you want fix battery head. Now want is so that you know go damage something for car. So the easiest way to know battery head when you put for the wire, I mean when you the wire when you suppose put for minus or plus, is this. Just look, trace this any of the wire, look the one when they go body of the motor. So if now your first time when you want to fix battery head for motor, you newly buy car or you newly start work as an apprentice for workshop, they say make you go fix battery head or you want fix battery head as a counter or as an apprentice. The easiest way when you fit know the wire when you go put for minus, see am here minus, this one na plus, see am here plus, see am plus. So the easiest way to know the wire when you put for minus, so that you no go blow your brain box or blow something for the vehicle, you find the wire when e join to the body of the motor, whether e join to this body or join to engine. So any wire when e join to the engine join to this engine, when they tie join this engine or tie join this body of the motor, tie join anywhere for the body of the motor, like this one now they tie am for the body of this motor. So any wire when they tie join the body of the motor or engine, now they go manuals. See, and now they go manuals. Anyone they turn tie join the body of motor or the engine of the motor or the jabos. That to the jabos is the jabos. This is jabos. You see the iron anywhere, any wire when they just tie to any iron part of the vehicle. Now they go manuals. Then the other one will go plus. That's the right way to fix battery head for battery wire for battery, so that you no go blow anything. I believe this message go help you so that you will not land into trouble. So like I said, I be Joshua the Auto Lord. So you can follow me on Instagram, Facebook, um, TikTok, YouTube as Joshua the Auto Lord. So time to time I will dey teach us with this pidgin language so that for better understanding. You know, a lot of Oyibo don't confuse us with swing, orient the battery head, orient battery head, or the positive narrative. So no, for we Africans, we have to learn the easiest way when with the easiest language where we understand. So thank you for watching this video. Please share, like, and follow me up. Thank you.